is JB and Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Program name B Pharma, first semester, and course name is Remedial Mathematics, and session of today is some numerical problems on partial fraction. So, learner, see in front of you, these are two numerical problems on the to resolve any fraction into the partial fraction. So first problem is 1 upon x minus 1 into x minus 2. Here we have seen this fraction is a proper fraction. It is because on numerator degree of x is 0. In the denominator there is two fraction x minus 1 and x minus 2. After multiplying you get 2 degree equation. So degree of x in denominator is 2. Degree of x in numerator is 0. Here degree of x in numerator is less than degree of x in denominator, so this is the proper fraction. So it is first prerequisite that fraction should be proper. Now in order to solve it, the fraction may be written as two different parts. Part will be a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 2. Now multiplying by the denominator x minus 1, x minus 2. Whole equation is multiplied with x minus 1 and x minus 2. If left hand side is multiplied with x minus 1 and x minus 2, you get only 1. It is because x minus 1 and x minus 2 cut from the x minus 1 and x minus 2. When x minus 1 and x minus 2 multiplied in a, x minus 1 is cancelled out, x minus 2 remain. So a into x minus 2. Similarly b into x minus 1. Now multiplying a in the bracket and b also into the bracket and solve it, ax plus bx minus 2a minus b is equal to 1. So taking x as a common, a plus b into x minus 2a plus b is equal to 1. Here we have to compare the coefficient of various degree of x. In this equation, in left hand side there is no x, so coefficient of x will be 0. If there is no x, then the coefficient will be 0. In the right hand side, coefficient of x will be a plus b. So on comparing, a plus b is equal to 0. Again constant term, in left hand side constant term is 1. In right hand side constant term is minus 2a plus b. So comparing, 1 is equal to minus 2a plus b, and equation become 2a plus b is equal to minus 1. Now we have two equations in the two variable a or b. A plus b is equal to 0, 2a plus b is equal to minus 1. So subtracting second equation from first, we get minus a is equal to 1. So a is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. And the putting the value of a is equal to minus 1, b will be 1. So putting these value at the place of a and b, here we have to put the value of constant a and b in equation 1. So we get the final answer of this problem. Next problem will be resolve 2x plus 1 upon x plus 1 x minus 2 into the partial fraction. Again same procedure is applied. We have to write this in two different part, a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x minus 2. and multiplying similar by the denominator x plus 1 x minus 2. If we multiply by the x plus 1 x minus 2, in the left hand side we got only 2x plus 1, and the right hand side a into x minus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Same procedure applying, multiplying in the bracket and separate the constant of x and constant term, coefficient of x and constant term. So 2x plus 1 is equal to a plus b into x minus 2a plus b. Now again comparing the coefficient of x, in the left hand side coefficient of x is equal to 2. In the right hand side coefficient of x is equal to a plus b, so a plus b is equal to 2. In the left hand side constant will be 1 and right hand side constant is minus 2a plus b. So again comparing the coefficient, you get two equation, a plus b is equal to 2 minus 2a plus b is equal to 1. So subtracting from second equation from 1, we get 3a is equal to 1, hence a will be 1 by 3. So putting the value of a in the equation minus 2a plus b is equal to 1, it become minus 2 upon 3 plus b is equal to 1. Minus 2 upon 3, at the right hand it will be plus, so 1 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. So here we have a is equal to 1 by 3 and b is equal to 5 by 3. So putting the value of a and b in the first equation at the place of a and b, we get this partial fraction is 1 upon 3x plus 1 plus 5 upon 3x plus 2. So x minus 2. So this is the solution of these problems. So I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you very much. See you.